Good evening, good evening. Sorry. Good evening, good evening. Then practical geometry. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have learned how to draw a circle of given radius. Okay, children. Now, I'll give exercise 40.2. First question. First question is, I'll write one question. You try to do. Okay. Okay, children. Next one is constructing. One second, I'll change the color of the ink. Constructing
Ma'am,
a
next question.
copy.
Fourth question.
Not question. Just you write this. Afterwards, I'll give you. Constructing a copy of a given line segment. Constructing a copy of the given line segment. Okay, children. So, will you just draw a line segment using your scale? No need of taking any measurement. You just draw a straight line. Just draw line segment. Draw a line segment with the scale. You don't know the measurement. Unknown measurement. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't see the measurement. Just draw a line segment. I don't know the measurement. I have just drawn it. How to construct a copy of this line segment? You don't know the measurement. Okay. You don't know the measurement, but we can take the same copy of this line segment. Okay, duplicate of this line segment, same measurement. If you do not know this on unknown measure, okay. So for that purpose, what you have to do is take. Will you take again your compass ruler? Okay, scale and draw a long line like this. Will you draw a long line? Okay, and take your compass.
Ma'am, in the side of the other
In the
line.
side or down?
We should draw in the side.
Okay, children. So take your compass and will you take the measurement of this like this? The previous first line of line segment. You take your compass and spread your compass pointers and keep it at the both ends. Clear? Okay, children, did you take? Now you move your compass and the same, keep it at one end. And will you draw one small arc here? Okay. From the first line segment, you take the measurement of the first line segment that you don't know how much. And that without moving your compass, the same measure you take and draw an arc here in the second line segment. So you got the same position, isn't it? Same length.
Finish, ma'am.
Hello? Did you understand it?
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If, see children, without drawing that line, also you can take the same line segment like this. See children, same measurement you take here. Okay. From one point, you can cut an arc like this. Isn't it? Okay. So from here, you can take that distance. Isn't it, children? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is how we are drawing, how we are taking the duplicate, or from there, how you can take the same length line segment in a different position. It's all not so important, children. Not so important. Okay. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
next one is perpendicular. How can we draw perpendicular? Okay. Perpendicular. So that is second construction. Previous one was not that much important. Just I have explained that. Next, this one is very important. Perpendicular to a line. Perpendicular to a line through a point on it. Through a point on it. So children, what do you mean by perpendicular? What do you mean by perpendicular?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Perpendicular line.
Ma'am forgot.
Perpendicular line.
Something
Parallel
like
line and perpendicular line.
Ma'am, the lines that
Example, can you tell?
I'm like a plus.
Like a plus. Good. That is, perpendicular line means that line which cuts it at 90 degree. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Like a cross. This AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. AB. And if I draw one line like this, it should be correct one L shape. 90 degree. It is known as perpendicular. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this perpendicular?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which one is
Ma'am,
this
No, ma'am.
perpendicular? AB is a line.
No, ma'am.
CD is another
No,
line.
ma'am.
Is CD perpendicular?
No, ma'am.
How did you understand?
Ma'am, because
Not in 90
Not
degree.
90 degree, correct. So it
Yes,
should
ma'am.
be like a plus. Should be like a plus, correct 90 degree. Okay, children. So here, suppose we have a line segment and we have a point here. Through this point, we have to draw a perpendicular. That is this construction. Okay. Did you
Yes,
understand?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, if I have a line segment AB of length 5 centimeter. At here, at 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter, I have made a point like this. A point C. Through C, how to draw a perpendicular? That is this construction. Perpendicular means it should be 90 degree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, all of you, did you write the heading?
Yes, ma'am.
So, all of you listen to me. I'll tell you how to draw it. Okay, children. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, first of all, no need of drawing. You listen to me how I am drawing the same way you draw. Okay. First of all, let me draw a line segment of 7 centimeter length. 7 centimeter of length.
Heading.
1 minute. No heading. You just write. Listen to me. Okay. And this line segments name I have given as A and B. Okay. And children, here I have given one point. Okay. Okay, children. That point is P. Suppose that point's name is P. Okay. Through this P, I have to draw a perpendicular. So a perpendicular through this point P. Clear, children? What is the name of the point?
P.
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 Okay. PP. Okay, P. So this through this P, we have to draw a perpendicular. For that, it is a construction. So we have to take the compass. So I'm taking the compass. Are you listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Keep the compass here. 1 second. Okay, children. Can you see? At P, I kept the compass pointer. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And keeping the P as center, I'm drawing a circle. A semicircle. You know what is semicircle?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand the steps? How did I draw? First of all, I took a 7 centimeter line segment. I have drawn and I kept a point, just a point there, AB. At that point P, take your compass and draw a semicircle. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And this semicircle here, it touches 2 points, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Touches
Yes,
2
ma'am.
points here, A and B, 2 points. Can you see green color points?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose it is P and Q. Okay. That points I have given name P and Q. Did you understand up to that much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then again you have to move your compass and keep at Q. Okay, keep your compass at Q. Okay, move a little your compass and draw an arc. Okay,
Okay,
did you
ma'am.
see?
Yes,
At
ma'am.
Q.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, I have to keep this compass at P and cut the previous arc like this.
Okay,
Clear?
ma'am. Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
did I do? First of all, at P, I have drawn a semicircle. This semicircle touches the line segment at P and Q. And keeping the compass at P, I have drawn an arc on top. Again at Q, the same arc, one more arc I have drawn so that it cuts the previous arc. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. So we can draw a straight line through the center.
Then what we have to do? So why we are drawing this? We have got this point, that is PQR.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
So what you have to do is, you take your scale and I have to take the scale. Okay. Can you see?
Yes,
Can you see,
ma'am.
children?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One second. It will not come as I like. It will go its own way. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. So through this point P, I have drawn that is the perpendicular. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now will you draw?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then start. Okay. What is your first step?
Ma'am, first we have to draw lines.
Line segment. Draw segment.
Line segment.
Line.
Draw a circle. Eh? We
Ma'am,
have
a
to draw
line.
a line segment of length 7 centimeter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And somewhere at almost the middle, otherwise you won't get the enough space both sides. Almost middle, you give a point P. From that point, you draw a semicircle. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
After that, you show me your drawing. Let me see how you are drawing. So that PR is the again P. Okay. 1 second. I'll change the name of this RS. This I will change SQ. There are 2 points P. So one I changed and I given the name S. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this point is yes. This is P. And line segment's name is AB. You can draw it very easily, but my board, that compass, scale and all, it will not come in my hand properly. It will fluctuate here and there.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am. So why are we actually drawing this that circle for this, ma'am?
Because we need to get those points S and Q.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes,
If
we
you
have
ma'am.
are
to draw
drawing
this.
circle also, you can draw. One arc is enough. But this one
Ma'am,
is
we
you
have
to
to
study
draw
like
this.
this way. Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Draw fast. I'll give one more question for you.
Finish, ma'am.
Shall I give the question to you? Next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Second one. Draw a line segment AB. Draw a line segment AB. Draw a line segment AB. Mark any point. Mark any point. Any point. M on it. Through M. Through M. Draw perpendicular to AB. Use only ruler and compasses.
Ma'am,
Mm.
can you tell what's before the bracket?
Bracket.
Yes, ma'am. 2.
Okay. To
Yes,
AB, line segment AB. Will you draw? Draw a line segment AB. No need of any measurement. Okay. Mark any point M on it. So instead of P, you have to mark a point M. And through M, draw perpendicular to AB.
Ma'am, so M should be the center of the line segment,
No
right?
need of any center, but it should be, we should get the points now. So almost should be in the middle.
Okay, ma'am.
Almost it should be in the middle. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,